Hi everyone, this is Mike from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to check what version your Altair has, as well as how to update it. On the screen of the Altair, you'll notice an icon that is a page with a corner folded. Touch that. Then on the bottom here, there's 9 different pages. You want to go to page 6 of 9, and this tells you what version you have. In this case, it's 1.5. On the babylock.com website, on any browser, you can find the latest update version for all of the machines. In this case, we're going to go select Our Products, Machines, and we'll scroll down. In this case, the Altair is a single needle embroidery, so we'll select that. Scrolling down, we'll see all the other machines, and we want the Altair. Now we'll select the Altair, and then here in the bottom left-hand corner of the Altair, you'll see Manuals, Updates, and Brochures. So if you see on this screen, the Altair on the left-hand side, it starts out by telling us that the latest version is 1.50. So in our case, we're actually already updated. You can check and see what you have to be able to update it. To be able to update it, you just click on this download section, and it will download to your computer. And on your computer, it will be a zip file. Once I open up this zip file, there's 3 separate files that are in here. The first one is the features that have been added to this version, different from previous versions. Then there's the update info, which this walks you through step by step how to update your machine. And the third file is actually the one that you load onto your computer. That is actually the update itself. So now that you have these 3 files in the update, you may be wondering, how do I take this file and get it to my Altair? You'll want to get yourself a USB stick that you connect to your computer. In this case, mine is No Name. I will double click on that. Then I will highlight the update file, right mouse click, say copy. Then I go to my USB, and it needs to be loaded in the main directory. You don't want to do it underneath a subdirectory. And I just right mouse click and paste this item. That's how you get it onto your USB stick. Now that it's on my USB, you want to safely remove this USB from your computer. Now that it's been disconnected from my computer, I can separate it from my computer. Now I can take it to the Altair. I'm ready to insert the USB into the Altair. Before I do that, make sure that you turn the Altair off, and then I'm going to put it into the top USB section. Now this is the tricky part, that one of these pieces of paper that talks about the update info also shows you how to do this. But what you're doing, you'll hold down the needle threader button, which is right here. Holding that button down while you turn the machine on, it comes into this screen, which may be new to many of you. And since I put my USB into this symbol, I'm going to touch that symbol, and it's going to come up and say press load after I've connected my USB, and I'm going to say load. Once it completes the 100%, it says upgrade complete. Now at that point, you can turn your machine back off and then turn it back on normally. And that's all there is to it. You can get the Altair at mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com or My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop store. Come and see us.